talk about how can you enable Meetup notifications uh, on your Meetup app. We're going to figure out solution on how you can do that on your enable notifications. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign or your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you this like this here. Go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on push notifications. Then come to next step here. So just switching to open video like this here. Click on notifications categories here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to on notifications. So then you click in this sign that like we see this color show for us. That's main notifications now enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.